Hey, what's up, church family? We are so excited to be launching a brand new season of our care groups. We're calling it Care Groups 2.0. Last time around, if you guys remember back in March, COVID hit and all of a sudden we were all sheltered in place. And we as a leadership team, we were scrambling, like, what are we gonna do? So we reached out to a bunch of our leaders in our church and we launched a bunch of care groups, and everyone was just so amazing just to connect. And then the Zoom thing kicked in. It's called Zoom fatigue, where we're tired of connecting online. We need a little break. So we took a little time out during these last 2 months, but we realized that we need to be reconnected. You know, I think of the book of Genesis when God created everything and he saved the best for last, and he created Adam and he says, man, it's good. Everything around was good. But then it says, but it's not good for man to be alone. So God created a companion. And when it comes to life, we can't do this thing called life all by ourselves. We need to connect. One of the cool things about this season is that we're actually rolling out a video series in our small groups. Our leaders are going to be hosting these videos that are about 6 to 10 minutes long and talking about how to follow God during uncertain times. And it's amazing because we'll get to learn from those videos and then exchange ideas. And listen, I want to encourage you. I don't know if you got involved last season in our small groups, but I want to encourage you. We can't do life alone. And man, the separation fatigue is real as well. And we don't get to hang out together on Sundays, but this is one of those ways where we get to be the family of God and we can connect to one another and actually grow. So there are many benefits in connecting to our care groups. One is fellowship, one is connection, but the other one is just growing in our faith, growing in our courage, growing in our understanding of the word. So I want to encourage you. There's a group for you and you can be a part of it. And if anything, you can invite others to join in with you. So I want to encourage you guys, sign up today. You can go to our church website or use the church app to register. Again, there's many different groups, meaning different days of the week, different times, and anyone can join. So whether you're here in the Bay Area or whether you're watching us from Europe or South America, wherever you'd be watching us from, we'd love for you to do life with us. Care Groups 2.0. We'd love for you to be a part of it. Let's grow together.